Simple pasta and with tomato sauce in my rice cooker. We got 1 pound of pasta, got from the store. Real simple, 450 grams. Normally you measure it out with a rice cup, 180 grams. So you do the math, and I'll put my rice cup away actually. My rice, and that's approximately 2.5 cups of rice, long grain. So I'll just put it in. Little stragglers. Teacup. So we just fill it up again. So it's really far down here. 2.5 long grain. I'm using my filter water again because I'm lazy and it's easy to pour. So it's actually pretty low. Go eyeball it a little more between the 2 and 3 line. That's good as you can get. Good enough for me. So that's already easy. I got my pasta in, my water in, and we're into the tomato sauce next. This is 2 cups. I'll bring it to the camera. 2 cups in the U.S. I'm gonna pour that right in. I don't know what's gonna happen even. What's the worst that could happen? We'll find out. I'll mix it up in a second. I'm gonna get all tomatoey this morning. I'm like on my agenda. Okay, good enough. Wash it out here in my sink. I'm gonna actually mix it up. This sounds easier than it is. Let's see, look at that. So that's all tomato water. Hopefully all the water will evaporate and it'll just be pasta and tomato sauce left when they're done. It makes sense, but let's see what actually happens with that. Okay, see? I'll wash this later during the cook time. Next we got our rice. I can't talk today even. My salt. Gotta salt it pretty hard. It'll cook out. We'll add salt later as well. I'll put this all away. And then same with pepper. This thing is acting up lately. There we go. There we got a kernel. Nice, good salt. And pepper. Put it away. We use it later. It's not a big deal. And also canola oil is my hack. Instead of using olive oil, which is more expensive and it's hard to find now in these days at a cheap price, use canola oil. Spray pan. There we go, canola oil. And actually, that was our 1 pound of pasta. The water till filled, the equivalent of like 2.5 cups long grain rice. 2 cups of tomato sauce. That's it. Then we'll cook it. Back, guys, with 5 minutes left. Ooh. Oh, actually turned out really good. Oh, look at that. We got mozzarella thick cut, shredded. Looks so good. Look at that. Tomato sauce still wet too. I was worried about that getting dry. Okay. Throw some cheese in there. You can always add more afterwards. Looks good. Oh, water. 5 more minutes, we'll be back, guys. Just about done with our cook time for our pasta with marinara sauce in our rice cooker. As you can see, it's just about done. A minute left. And I'll take a scoop out and show you guys what it looks like up close. And actually, oh, here we go. Speaking of the devil. Oh, watch out. So steamy. Watch out. Look at that right there. Look at that. Looks so good. See it. Looks pretty good for a rice cooker. Rice cooker. Oh, yeah, actually goes through. Actually cooked through too. Yes, let me check. All the edges are good. Oh, everything's cooked good. It's tender. See that mushy sound? Oh. See, look at that. Nice and gooey too. Take a peek. Without burning my hands off. Ooh. Looks pretty good. As I said, it's really gooey. Actually, ooh, it's all everywhere. All over the bowl. That should be good though. That's what you want for gooey fucking pasta. Let's see. Looks good. It's cooked through. Tasty. Guys.